People always lose their hope of getting rich just because they get a low salary. But getting rich is all about your money habits and the tricks you use. In this video, we will be telling you the 9 tricks that will make you rich even on a very low income. Now let's start with the video. 1. Modify how you use electricity. If you want to figure out how to reduce your energy use and your electric bill, your utility provider may provide you with free tools to do it. Switching to a time-of-use plan, if available in your area, might help you save money, for instance. If so, you may be able to reduce your utility costs by shifting when you do laundry and run the dishwasher. 2. Check your eligibility for low-income utility programs. The Federal Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program collaborates with states to ensure low-income households have access to heating and cooling services throughout the year. Help with utilities is available in every state, although eligibility requirements and amounts of aid vary widely. If your heating system breaks down, some programs will pay to get it replaced, while others will assist you weatherize your house to save costs. 3. Search YouTube before paying a professional. There are certain jobs that should not be attempted by the average Joe or Jane. On the other hand, there are situations in which attempting a remedy on your own might make things more worse and more costly. However, after we see someone else perform a job, we often find that it's simple and inexpensive to do it ourselves. If you have an issue that you would ordinarily hire a professional to handle, such a clogged automobile air filter or a broken oven heating element, consider looking for how-to videos online first. 4. Take advantage of prepaid options. When most of us think of mobile phone service providers, T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T are the first 3 that come to mind. However, their monthly fees are high, and their plans may have more features and capabilities than you now have a need for in a mobile phone. Switching to one of their prepaid plans might potentially have your monthly expense. Reducing your monthly payment is another perk of switching to a smaller service provider like Republic Wireless, Ting, or Mint Mobile. Prepaying for a minimum of 3 months of service may also help. If you just use your phone for making and receiving calls, texting, and using Wi-Fi, your plan will be much more affordable. Press the red subscribe button and also the like button to know the best tricks to earn money and get rich. 5. Settle for a single subscription. Newspapers, TV and movies, music, online data backup, retouching images, computing with words, conditioning courses, all may appear as if every business nowadays operates on a subscription basis. An excellent approach to generate money is to get someone to join up for a service and continue paying for it indefinitely. That's why, if you're serious about cutting costs, you should do exactly the opposite. Which service do you utilize the most often from your subscriptions? Let yourself have it and cut down on the rest. Many options are available at no cost. You are not limited to a single subscription for the duration of the year. Changes may be made on a monthly basis for the following. First it'll be Hulu, then Netflix, and then Spotify. 6. Agree to participate in the No Money Down Challenge. If you forced yourself to go without spending money for a week or a month, you may suppose there would be a lot of pent-up want for anything once that amount of time has passed. Do you honestly believe that you won't need any more food if you delay going grocery shopping? Maybe so. You could discover that you are rethinking some of the purchases you have made in the past, however. You may be able to kick your Canada habit if you can abstain from it for a week and drink cold water instead of Coke Zero when you sit down to eat dinner. You are less likely to make rash financial decisions and squander money on pointless items as a result. You might also come across some cost-free activities that you can do along with a friend. A no-spend challenge might potentially help you build up your savings, regardless of how long you commit to doing it for, 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. 7. Trust in the assistance of others. Everyone has a duty to take aid when it is provided to them in the United States, since the nation as a whole is so kind and successful. This category includes not just food banks and pet pantries, but also farmers markets, community gardens, free school supplies, free or low-cost mental health services, medical clinics, Medicaid, and other hospital-based charity projects. It is possible that certain assets will be discovered in larger numbers in some regions as compared to others. But make productive use of the resources you have available to you. You could decide to make a donation to the charitable organizations that assisted you in the future when you have more financial stability. 8. Ensure adequate coverage by investing. It is tempting to attempt to lower your insurance expenses by raising your deductible or removing some of your coverage in order to save money. Keep in mind why you have insurance in the first place. When an unanticipated financial setback occurs, such as the total loss of your automobile, the flooding of your apartment because of a broken pipe, or the loss of your home's roof as a result of a storm, insurance may be able to assist you in getting back on your feet financially. And if you own a pet, it is highly recommended that you pay anywhere from $20 to $50 per month for insurance for your companion animal. This will protect them in the event that anything happens wrong. When the time comes when they need immediate medical treatment, you will be grateful that you contributed financially to their care. 9. Set aside a certain amount for your own use. It is a miserable feeling to try to spend all of your money while also trying to save it. You'll tire yourself out trying to avoid temptation, and there's a good chance you'll give in to it anyhow. Rather of doing that, you should first choose how much of your weekly, monthly, or annual budget will be dedicated to entertainment spending, and then commit to sticking to that figure. Then you won't need to worry about the consequences of your spending. In the event that you choose to save money for a more significant purchase, your allowance might be carried over from one pay period to the next. If you have problems keeping your money for fun distinct from the money you spend on necessities, you may find it helpful to save your fun money in cash envelopes or a savings account that is dedicated only to that purpose. That's all for today. Now you know all the tricks to get rich on a low income. Actually, these tips are suggested by a lot of famous millionaires and multi-billionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and many others. Even if you get a very high salary, you must follow these tricks. It will help you to get rich faster. Most of the people avoid these tips and ultimately find themselves into trouble. So you must not do this mistake. Press the subscribe button below if you are new to our channel and want to know more amazing tricks to get rich. Share this video with all of your friends and family members. If you are having any doubt or queries, then do let me know in the comments. If you love the video, then do press the thanks for watching.